Thinking of starting a real estate business in Singapore? With a strong property market and robust regulatory framework, Singapore offers attractive opportunities in real estate agency, property management, and investment services. First, define your real estate focus. Will you operate as a property agency, real estate consultancy, property management firm, or investment advisory? Your business model will determine licensing and compliance requirements. Next, register your business with ACRA. Most real estate companies choose a private limited company to enhance credibility, manage liability, and support business growth. Licensing is essential. Real estate agencies must be registered with the Council for Estate Agencies, or CEA. You'll need a Key Executive Officer, or KEO, who meets CEA requirements, and all property agents must hold valid licenses and certifications. Compliance with professional standards, PDPA regulations, and anti-money laundering requirements is also critical in the property sector. Finally, ensure proper accounting, tax compliance, and commission tracking systems. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support real estate businesses with company incorporation, licensing guidance, and ongoing accounting and tax services. Visit our website to start your real estate business in Singapore with confidence.